Hi, I'm James. Today I'm going to introduce something about this plastic base. Okay, so this plastic base we usually use for DIY tiles. As you can see, we have some tile samples here. Today's topic is mainly about this plastic base. As you can see, we have just so many different designs of this plastic base. So many people are wondering what's the difference between all these plastic bases. Okay, so firstly we can see they have different designs. Okay, and also for materials we have recycled material, and we can also use original new material to produce it. For the overall size, generally it's all 30 by 30 centimeters or 1 feet by 1 feet. The main difference will lie in thickness. As you can see, we have different thicknesses. For example, this one, the thickness is about 14 millimeter. Okay, and for this one, let's check. It's about 1067 millimeters, and this one is 11.4 millimeters. Okay, so obviously the thicker the plastic base is, the stronger it will be, especially when we are using it in outdoor area. But of course, that will also cause different prices. So on functions, mainly we have two types. So this is one of them, is four sides with buckles. It's all interlocking, all four directions. So that allows us to install the tiles in either direction. We can fix it in this direction, or we can just change the direction. So it's all interlocking design, and you can just click on it very freely. And here we have another type. Okay, this is also quite a traditional type. We have two buckles along these two sides. Okay. The advantage of this type is that the buckles are quite prominent. You can see them very easily, and you can just click them without any effort. You see, you can just connect it very easily. Okay, the disadvantage of this type is that if you want to change the direction of the tiles, for example, if you want to install like this, then when you're going to install this part, you have to lift this tile. So it won't be like the type we showed just now. It's gonna take a little more time and effort. So normally when we use this, it's always going the same direction. That will make the installation easier. Okay, just like this. Still, it's quite an easy job that even child, they can just finish the installation very easily. Okay, so that's basic introduction of these functions of the plastic bases. If you have any more questions, you can also contact us freely by email or WeChat, WhatsApp. Thank you.